This built-under double oven from Hotpoint is ideal for households looking for a model which is easy to clean and makes cooking effortless. It has a medium-sized 59-litre capacity in the main oven and a medium-sized 37-litre capacity in the second oven. The second cavity also works as a conventional oven and grill, so you'll have plenty of space if you enjoy hosting dinner parties. This model's electric fan oven in the main cavity provides a fast, effective and energy-efficient way to cook your food. The fan moves warm air around the cavity so that heat is spread evenly across all shelves with no transference of flavours. This oven also features a handy grill setting, which will give those lasagnas the perfect crispy topping. So, you'll be able to prepare starters, main courses and desserts together while your food will always have the perfect finish. Cleaning is effortless thanks to the special coating on the inside of this model. The oven cavities are covered in grease-proof enamel, which stops food from sticking, so it can simply be wiped away with a cloth. This means your oven is really easy to maintain and you'll save time on cleaning. If you're looking for a built-under double oven, which is easy to clean and makes cooking effortless, this model from Hotpoint is the perfect choice.